How's it going, everybody? It's Fitz back here with a brand new video, and today I'm going to be reviewing my H&R Sport Springs on stock struts on my BMW E90. Right off the bat, this is how they're going to sit. This is what your car is going to look like with the lowering springs. So I'm going to do a little walk around of the car sitting on these springs. Now, I didn't want to go with coilovers because, one, I didn't want to cheap out on, Racelands or whatever their sister company is, or eBay coilovers. I wanted to get low with a decent suspension. Now, whatever your opinion is on a decent suspension, that's up to you. I went with the stock struts and lowering springs. These cost me $300. They were very easy to put in. You just need a spring compressor and some patience. And no, I don't have the adjustability I would get with coilovers, but personally, for $300, the fitment that I got out of these things, phenomenal. I absolutely love the setup that I have on my car. So these shocks that I have on my car are 13 years old now, and I don't know how long it takes for them to wear out normally, but with lowering springs, they're gonna wear out faster. I've had my springs in for almost a year now, probably 11 months or so, and it has gotten a lot bouncier. I have started to notice more grounding out on bigger bumps and things like that, but overall, the ride quality, I'd give it, compared to what it was, I'd give it about a 7 out of 10 still after a year. I love the way these things look, and if you're into the low life, the lowered lifestyle, you're gonna have to sacrifice some of the comfort, unless you're going with air suspension, which is, $3,000. And for me, this is my first car. This is a budget build, cheaping out on everything. Not in a bad way, but if I have the chance to, I will. So that is why I went with the springs. So the last thing I'm gonna say about the springs is, if you are looking for a similar ride to stock, don't want coilovers, don't really care about handling, get the springs. Just get them. If you are looking for more adjustability, more comfort, more anything than what you get coilovers or air suspension. You are not gonna get an amazing handling difference. I couldn't tell you if there was a difference or not in handling. The ride remained pretty much the same till about now. It's a little more bouncier. But the look that you get with lowering springs, for me, 100% worth the money. In the end, it's up to you guys for your personal preference, budget, taste, whatever it may be. Do your research on coilovers, air suspension, springs even, but this was just my take on the springs. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you got something out of this video. If you want to see more product reviews, let me know. I'll try almost anything out. If you haven't seen any of my other reviews, go check them out. So this has been Fitz back here with another video, and I will see you guys in the next one.